Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Acronis Cyber Protect for cloud backup easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Acronis Cyber Protect and press enter. Look for the official Acronis website in the search results. Click on the link that directs you to the Acronis Cyber Protect page. Once on the Acronis page, locate the download button. Click the download button to start the download process. A prompt may appear asking where you want to save the file. Choose your desired location and click Save. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation process. If a user account control window appears, click Yes to allow the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Accept the license agreement when prompted. Choose your installation preferences, then click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation is complete, launch Acronis Cyber Protect. You may need to sign in or create an account for full functionality. After logging in, select the Cloud Backup option from the dashboard. Follow any additional prompts to configure your backup settings. Review the setup summary, then click Start Backup to initiate your first backup. Your Acronis Cyber Protect for cloud backup is now ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.